All right, Lady, what is this glowy thing?
I am posting some fresh new nudes. These nudes are going to be coming to Adafruit real soon, so sign up, get notified when they're in the shop. We've been selling nudes, what we call these LED flexible filaments, for a while in the store. They're spelled NOODS because they're like noodles. And the ones that we have or have had so far are they have a positive and a negative end, and then there's this flexible filament on either side, and they differ in length and color. But then, like, this is the positive and this is the negative. The problem is, though, is sometimes you want to have the connections for the power come onto the same side, and so that's what these are. So these nudes, and here's one that's not powered, so you can see a little better. It has an FPC connector that you can solder or clip to, and then the other end you can see is just kind of melted closed. So, for example, this one's blue and this one's like a warm white color. If you want to have something light up, sort of like EL wire with all these hundreds of little LEDs in it, without having to have something at the other end, like this can be loose, then this is the way to go. So this is the warm white 130 millimeter, but we're getting all different colors. And then maybe we'll also get like the 12 volt and 24 volt versions as well for like super long single end nudes.